Hello and welcome to UDICE Plus. In the last video, we learned how to add or update section 1A Basic Profile Location Management Medium of Instruction, which covers DCF 1.1 to 1.30 and School Other Details, which includes DCF 1.31 to 1.39. In today's tutorial, we will continue with the next section, Anganwadi, SMC, SMDC and others, DCF 1.40 to 1.55, and availability of free textbooks, teaching, learning material, play material in current academic year and graded supplementary material for previous academic year, means DCF 1.56 and DCF 1.57, means key performing indicators on teaching, learning in previous academic year materials, etc. These details are applicable for government and government aided school, DCF 1.40 to DCF 1.55, Anganwadi, SMC, SMDC and others, DCF 1.40, whether Anganwadi centers are located within the school premises. Choose yes or no. If yes, enter the number of co-located Anganwadi center. If yes, enter the number of co-located centers and provide their details such as code, name of Anganwadi and number of boys and girls enrolled. In DCF 1.41, specify whether a Bal Vatika has been started in the co-located Anganwadi or school. In DCF 1.42, indicate if any out-of-school children have been enrolled in your school. If choose yes, mention whether these students are attending a special training session in the school. In DCF 1.43, enter the number of students attending remedial teaching or extra classes in the current academic year. DCF 1.44, enter the number of students participating in learning enhancement classes. In DCF 1.45, provide the details of official visit to the school during the previous academic year, such as number of academic inspection, number of visits by CRC coordinator, number of visits by block level officer, number of visits by district state level officer. In DCF 1.46a, confirm if the school management committee SMC has been formed as per RTE norms. In DCF 1.46a, confirm if the school management committee SMC has been formed as per RTE norms. Specify if the school development and management committee have been constituted as per Samagra Shiksha guidelines. If both are applicable, choose same as SMC. If either of the above answer is yes, then fill in DCF 1.46c, number of SMC, SDMC meetings conducted in previous academic year. DCF 1.46d, whether SMC, SDMC has prepared the school development plan. If yes, mention the year. For DCF 1.47a, B and C, specify if the Parent-Teacher Association PTA meetings were conducted. If yes, enter the number of meetings held in the last academic year. In DCF 1.48, mention whether the school is registered under the Public Financial Management System. In DCF 1.49, confirm if the school has multi-class units. If yes, indicate which classes are taught together in a school classroom. In DCF 1.50, mention whether the school is a part of a school complex. In DCF 1.51, specify if the school is a hub school for the complex. If yes, provide the number of schools included in that complex. In DCF 1.52, indicate if the school has conducted any activity under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. In DCF 1.53, specify if the school is certified as a fit ADI school. In DCF 1.54, mention whether the school provided. In DCF 1.54, mention whether the school provides a holistic report card for each learner based on peer, self, and teacher assessment. In DCF 1.55A, enter the number of days midday meals were served under PM portion in the previous academic year. In DCF 1.55B, if the midday meal is also extended to pre-primary or Bal Vatika classes, mark it accordingly. Once all details are updated, click Save and Next button. On DCF 1.56, availability for free textbooks, TLM, and play materials. In DCF 1.56.1, confirm whether a complete set of free textbooks was received for each level, such as pre-primary, primary, secondary, upper primary, secondary, and higher secondary. If yes, select the month of receipt from the drop-down list. In DCF 1.56.2, specify whether teaching learning materials TLM are available for each grade. DCF 1.56.3, mention whether the school received graded supplementary material in previous academic year. If yes, answer. If yes, answer if this material were used in classroom activities. In DCF 1.56.4, indicate whether play materials, game, and sports equipments are available for each grade. In DCF 1.56.5, confirm if free uniform were provided to students. If yes, mention the month of distribution in the format example 5th of May. After filling all the required information, click Save and Next button. DCF 1.57, Key Performance Indicators, KPI. Now DCF 1.57.1, enter the total number of learning outcome based assessment items created. DCF 1.57.2, specify whether the school conducts academic enrichment activities such as project work, group work, virtual labs, performance, debates, or creative writings. In DCF 1.57.3, enter the number of students who received orientation on cyber safety. In DCF 1.57.4, enter the number of students trained on psychosocial aspect. Once all data is filled, click Save and Next to continue. We will cover the section in our upcoming videos. That's how you can easily add or update school details for government and government aided school. If you face any difficulties, please contact your technical team or MIS officer. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.